Good afternoon. I'm Jeff Butler, and this is your Wednesday update on the people against COVID-19. We have raised to date over $10,000 to buy food from local businesses for doctors and nurses and hospitals and clinics who are fighting on the front lines against the coronavirus. I want to take a minute and thank our sponsors who have contributed the more significant amounts to the cause. Our gold level folks at $1,000 or better include Moses Kim, who does personal injury work with a focus on medical malpractice. Chris Stewart, who does personal injury and wrongful death cases with a focus on some civil rights stuff. And there's me. I do personal injury, wrongful death with a focus on corporate defendants who are tough to deal with. Our silver level folks include Josh Branch, who does personal injury and wrongful death cases, Ronnie Maybrook, personal injury and wrongful death cases, Robert Miller, who does estate planning, and Ibrahim Awad, who does personal injury and criminal defense work. Among our bronze level folks, at $250 donated or better, we've got Stephen Newton, Matt Jordan, Brian Bear, Jessica Nix, Nick Potentis, Seth Eisenberg, and Charlie Bingham. We'll be, we hope, doing our first food deliveries as soon as tomorrow. Now we've got a conference call this afternoon to try to work out the logistics, but we've found some hospitals that seem to really need it and some food providers who really want to provide it. And now, thanks to y'all, we have the money to do something about it. So let's keep this good thing going. Thank you so much.